Hello, in front of me I've got Realme C55. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, let's go to settings, enter display and brightness, and right here we've got all settings for our display. Let's start with the top of the list, where we can change display mode between light and dark. Also we can schedule the dark mode. And in more dark mode options, we can change dark mode style, adjust wallpapers to dark mode, adjust icons to dark mode, reduce contrast in low light conditions, and enable dark mode for third-party apps. Next, we can change brightness level of the display manually or via auto brightness. Then we can change screen color mode between vivid, natural, and also we can change screen color temperature. Then we can change font size, font weight, and enable or disable adaptive font weight. Then we can change display size, enable or disable auto rotate screen, change auto screen off between 15 seconds and 30 minutes, change screen refresh rate between auto, high and standard, and in the end, hide notch in apps and enable full screen mode for apps. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.